Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I went ahead and I picked up the Tarte Reflections palette. This is their 28-year anniversary palette full of 28 different shimmers, mattes, you name it. The exact makeup of this palette includes 10 shimmers, 12 mattes, 3 glitters, and 3 satin shadows. I think this looks like a really pretty color story. I love the fireworks that are implanted there in the shadows. I ordered this from Ulta. All of you, when I asked a while back, where was this palette available? Because I think it came out while I was on vacation. Y'all said it was on QVC, and that's the only place I didn't check. Go figure. I love QVC. But this palette is in stock right now on the Ulta Beauty website, and it retails for $54. I'm going to be doing 2 complete looks today, and we're going to see what this palette is made of, if it's worth your time, but more importantly, your money. If it is your first time here on my channel, let me just welcome all of you. Hello there. My name is Steff. I love trying out new makeup. I am primarily a new makeup review channel, but I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos, all that good stuff. If that sounds great to you, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button and hit the bell next to it. That way you'll be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of Tarte, and I recently did a full face of trying new Tarte makeup, so be sure to check that out. Please give this video a big thumbs up before you go. As usual, check the description box for links, codes, everything to makeup I will be wearing in today's video. Some of those links and codes are going to be affiliate, so if you do end up shopping, I thank you so much for helping me support this channel. Let's dive on into look number 1 with the Reflections palette from Tarte. If you guys want to see how everything is going to turn out, keep on watching. Now I've already primed my eyelids with the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Primer, and we definitely have some decisions to make today. I have no idea what I'm wearing to work. I actually have a doctor's appointment right before I head to work. I don't know. It started raining too, so it feels like it's going to be a gloomy day, at least a gloomy start to the day. I think, let's see, I did pink yesterday. So maybe today I want to do a little purple and brown number. So I think I am going to start with this shade right here called Unstoppable. I'm going to use my Rephr 14 Max for this shade. Let me know if you guys picked this one up from QVC or maybe from Ulta you decided to order. I also picked up and I know I said I would never again, but I picked up the Too Faced, is it Spiced Apple or Apple something palette. You know, I see green and I think, it's a green palette. There's only like 2 shades of green. So anyway, we're going to try it out. I think I can deal with 1 Too Faced palette per year. And the reason I say that is just because I don't really think the quality is there for what they're charging. I think you can get way better quality. I know you can get way better quality from the indie brands, but you know, I know a lot of you still collect Too Faced, so that's why I want to try it. And you know, it just looks like a nice start to the fall season. So we'll see what it's all about. Mine is scheduled to come in on Thursday, and it is Wednesday morning when I'm sitting down to film this portion of the video. So yeah, expect a video to go up probably on Friday. Now on a Rephr 01 Mini, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This one is called Lights Camera Lashes. Just like their mascara. We'll have to use that one today. Well, I guess it doesn't matter which eye I start with. I'm so used to doing 2 different looks at one time, so it doesn't matter. Okay, I think that blended out really nicely. And usually I have good luck with these larger Tarte palettes, so no surprises there. Next, I want to go in with I think I'm gonna go in with the black shade down here, this one called Boss. I'm using a Rephr 13 to apply. I'll keep this to the outer corner, but also bring it in slightly into the crease. Ooh, that's a good black. All right, now it's time to play with one of these beautiful shimmer shadows. There are so many beautiful shimmers here. Gosh, where do I want to start? I think I'm for sure gonna do this one right here and then Tartlet here. So this one is Maureen and then Tartlet. And then maybe we can squeeze in this one over here. This one is Empower. But let's start first with Marine. I'm using my damp Morphe M124 to apply. That is a really pretty shimmer, a traditional shimmer. And I'm going to do this one all over the lid. And I'm going to pop it with that shade Tartlet. Got a little bit of fallout from that one, but doesn't look like it's too terrible. Now I'm going to go in with Tartlet on the same brush, and I am going to spray it. And I'm going to do that right here in the center of the lid. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with Entrepreneur down here. Using a BH Cosmetics pencil brush. I'm only going to take it about right there. That way we can do another shimmer shadow. This palette so far is performing really well. Now we'll go in with this shade right here called Empower. Same brush, and I did spray it. All right, guys, I'm gonna pop off camera to take care of the finishing touches, and I will be right back to show you this first look with the Reflections palette from Tarte. Okay, guys, so here's the completed look number 1. I love the way this look turned out. This was fun and this was easy to recreate. I did a little bit of Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liquid liner on the top lash line. I'm using, as I told you guys I would, the Lights Camera Lashes mascara from Tarte. And for the lower waterline, I went in with this About Face eyeliner. This one is in the shade Leave Me Breathless. And I love it. I love it. My lipstick is Berry Pop from Natasha Denona, in case you are wondering. I have to go get ready for work, so I will be back for you guys in a few seconds, for me in 24 hours, to create the second look and finalize today's video on the new Tarte Reflections palette. Okay guys, so let's start creating the second look. So many beautiful colors. Oh, I just love it. I love, again, with the little firework, I think it's so cute. I think I'll do something focusing a little bit up here. I kind of do want to incorporate the pink just because it looks really pretty. So I'm going to start here with Park Avenue Princess, and then I'm going to go into Hustle. And I am using the same NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Primer as I did yesterday. Now on a BK211, I'm going in with the shade Hustle. This is a nice peachy, orangey shade. Perfect for any look, really. Now on a BKA504, I'm going to go in, let's see, I think I'm going to go in with this shade over here. This one is called Give Back. Now for the lower lash line, I think I'm going to go in with Limitless right here. Actually, I want to do that one because I really wanted to incorporate the pinks, but I don't know. This look kind of got a little spicy. Yeah, I'm just going to stick with Limitless for the lower lash line. Okay, now I'm going to go in with Enough. right here. I'm going to do enough, and I'm going to do probably this one, Positivity. I'm using my Morphe M709. That is such a beautiful color. Wow, look at that sparkle. It's so pretty. A little bit of fallout, but nothing too terrible. Now I'm going to go in with Positivity for the inner corner. I'm using my BK210 to apply. Perfect little inner corner highlight. And with that, I think our second look is just about completed. Let me pop off camera to add those finishing touches. And I will be right back to show you this final look number 2. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number 2. I love the way it turned out. Same everything from yesterday with the exception of the lower waterline. I went in with a ColourPop cream gel liner in the shade. What shade was it? It's one Fruit Fantasy, I believe. Yeah, Fruit Fantasy. I love this look. Oops, a little bit of fallout there, but I think it's nice, fun, and sparkly. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video, and I'll share with you guys my final thoughts on this Reflections palette from Tarte. All right, guys, so those were the 2 looks with the latest palette from Tarte. This is their Reflections palette. This is in honor of their 25th anniversary. You get so many beautiful shadows. This is definitely more of a warm tone palette, but I love the colors and I love the little firework imprints. I think this is going to provide many great looks. And if you're into more neutral looks, then this is definitely going to be a palette for you. There's a nice weight to it. It all has that rose gold mirrored finish with like little fireworks, but you can see fingerprints do get on it. So you're going to have to try and keep it clean. Nice big mirror. But I thought that the shimmers performed really well, as did the mattes. You're just going to have to decide if this is a color story for you, if you're still on board with Tarte. These are all new shadows, and I thought that they performed really, really well. I picked mine up at Ulta Beauty online, but this was initially released over on QVC. Let me know your thoughts. Which look was your favorite? Are you team 1, 2, none, all? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.